We want people to think of things, we want people to suggest ideas, because the purpose of the PBRN is to benefit osteopaths, and so it's no good us producing research that osteopaths have no interest in. So we do want to make this for its members, but yeah, we will have ideas as well to offer, and it's because of the rich data that osteopathic practice has in the UK. It's also very desirable to external research bodies as well. So as I said earlier, the hardest thing in research is getting participants. So there will be lots of research organisations, whether that's in public health, musculoskeletal services, who potentially would like to use the osteopathic PBRN to gather information for their own research studies. And the benefit of this is that they're going to be disseminating that research to a much wider audience than just osteopathy. And so this helps to communicate what osteopathic practice is doing in the UK to a much wider audience, which helps to promote the profession. And that's worked really successfully in Australia with the PBRN they've got over there. As much research done there is actually through non-osteopathic research organisations as it is osteopathic ones.